Hey MotoVision family, welcome back to the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in motorhomes and adventure vehicles. Today, we're diving into the 2025 leisure travel vans Unity. This luxurious Class B Plus motorhome has been turning heads with its modern design, advanced features, and unparalleled comfort. If you're looking for the perfect companion for your next road trip, stay tuned because we're covering everything you need to know about the Unity, inside and out. Let's roll. Starting with the front look, the 2025 Unity is built on the sleek and reliable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. The aerodynamic design, bold grille, and LED headlights give it a modern and premium appearance. The front fascia also features chrome accents and a streamlined shape that enhances its overall efficiency. This motorhome is designed to stand out whether you're cruising on the highway or parked at a campsite. Under the hood, the Unity is powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder turbo diesel engine, delivering 190 horsepower and 324 lp-ft of torque. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, this setup ensures a smooth and efficient ride, whether you're navigating city streets or tackling steep mountain roads. Plus, the advanced diesel technology offers excellent fuel economy, making it perfect for long journeys. For braking, the Unity is equipped with a high-performance braking system, including four-wheel disc brakes with ABS, electronic stability control, and brake assist. These features ensure maximum safety and control, especially during sudden stops or challenging driving conditions. The Hill Start Assist is another handy feature for those uphill starts. Moving to the cabin, the front seats are fully adjustable, heated, and wrapped in premium leather. The ergonomic steering wheel features mounted controls for ease of use while driving. The dashboard is well organized, featuring a digital instrument cluster that provides real-time driving information. Ambient lighting enhances the overall experience, especially during night drives. The interior of the Unity is where it truly shines. The back seats fold into a comfortable lounge or spacious sleeping area depending on your needs. The kitchenette includes a 2-burner stove, microwave, and refrigerator, while the bathroom features a full stand-up shower. The back look is equally impressive, with sleek taillights, an integrated rear camera, and ample storage compartments for all your gear. Technology in the 2025 Unity is top of the line. It features a digital cockpit with a 1025-inch touchscreen infotainment system, complete with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. The RV control system allows you to manage lighting, monitor tank levels, and control the climate right from your smartphone. Safety tech includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system for easy maneuvering. The Unity's exterior lights include energy-efficient LED strips and motion sensor lighting for convenience. The large powered awning with integrated LED lighting creates the perfect outdoor living space. Its smooth body panels, tinted windows, and premium paint options make it as stylish as it is functional. Let's talk numbers. The 2025 leisure travel vans Unity starts at $180,000 and can go up to $200,000 with optional upgrades. While it's a premium price tag, the quality, features, and luxury you get in return make it a worthy investment for serious travelers. And that's a wrap on the 2025 leisure travel vans Unity. What do you think of this luxurious motorhome? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow RV enthusiasts, and subscribe to MotorVision for more awesome content. Until next time, stay adventurous and keep exploring.